Which CMs will be the best fit for you, Appwrite or Strapi?
We need first to compare both Appwrite and Strapi. Its core purpose is that Appwrite is a backend as a service or BaaS platform focused on mobile or web app development. Offer users authentication, databases, file storage, and serverless function out of the box. While the other hand, Strapi is a headless CMS built with Node.js, primarily used to manage and serve content via REST or GraphQL APIs for websites, mobile apps, and more. For the developer experience, Appwrite is SDKs for multiple platforms. It is excellent for custom apps and microservices. It requires more manual setup for CM-like function. For Strapi, it is out-of-the-box CM's features, REST and GraphQL support, plug-in ecosystems for extension. For hosting and flexibility, Appwrite is a self-hosted or cloud. Strapi, on the other hand, is also self-hosted or on third-party platforms. Well, you need to choose Appwrite if you need a complete back-end for an app, if you're a developer who prefers full control and customization, and project is more than just content management. Use Strapi if you need a ready-made content platform, you're building blogs, marketing sites, or product catalogs.